Hello, I'm John, and I'm the Lincoln Whisperer, but I'm working on a T-Bird today.
You are the convertible top guru.
I could say that I'm a top expert, but this convertible, Lincolns and Thunderbirds are close cousins. The mechanism is very much the same, with one exception, and I'm going to show you that right now, because it's critically important that you do this when you get ready to put your top down. Now, inside, the convertible top has a latch at the windshield. It's right here. There's one here and there's one on the other side. I've left the other one unlatched. You want to make sure that you unlatch this before you do anything with the convertible top. So we're both unlatched. We're free of the windshield. If you don't do that, you risk breaking parts in the convertible top mechanism, and you don't want to do that because it's a 60-year-old car and they don't make the parts anymore.
Yeah.
I also recommend that now that you have a convertible top remote, you use the remote. There are two little arrows. One goes up to put the top up, one goes down to put the top down. You press the down button and the deck starts to open. Once it's open, the flipper panel erects itself, and then the top is ready to go down. And you keep pressing the button.
Oh, no.
Cut.
And we're back.
And we're back. So we encountered just a little problem where the relay plug had come loose in the process of putting stuff together. So now we're going to put the top down. Now, I recommend that you stand here and hold your deck open just for a few times, few cycles of this top, because we may still have a little air in the system.
Got it. I got that.
So you got it?
I got that.
We're going to go put the top down.
Top down. Ooh, look at that.
Here we go. And it's also a really nice thing to do once you get the top in this position. Just, help the rear window a little bit. All right?
Assist. Assist the baby. Look at that. Wow-wee.
And then the deck will start to close. Just like at the factory.
And would you look at that, boys and girls?
And once the deck is fully closed, hear the click, click, click. That's when you stop.
Beautiful.
There she is.
There she is.
Let's leave it down for the night.
Leave it down for the night. And you did also put in a new top switch.
That's correct.
And then you left the door panel kind of loose for us because we have to do the trim.
It's completely loose because you got to do the trim inside.
Perfect.
All right?
You are the man.
Thank you, thank you. Here you go. Have fun.